This video is about the rise and fall of one of South Africa's most recognizable forex traders, Sandile Shezi. It's not meant in any way to celebrate his fall, but to create awareness of the things that have been happening in the forex industry in South Africa. It seems things have not been going well lately. In fact, they've been going from bad to worse for the once celebrated South African forex trader Sandile Shezi. This is after authorities in South Africa on the 9th of December issued another arrest warrant for the forex trader. This is over allegations that he defrauded or scammed his clients of millions of rands. Note that these are still allegations. He is yet to be brought before a court of law and convicted of such. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Go ahead and like the video. See the links in the description box below. And your thoughts about this topic, leave them in the comments section below. Sandile Shezi first burst onto the scene back in 2015-2016 as forex trading started gaining ground in South Africa. It was a new industry, a new thing, and not many people understood how it worked, how you can actually analyze charts, and how you can end up making money in trading. So the people who actually said they had made money in trading started gaining popularity. They became celebrities. That's how we ended up with many forex traders as celebrities in South Africa, because trading was a new thing and these people said they had managed to figure it out. People started following them. People wanted to discover their secrets. How did they do it? Naturally, because South Africa is a third world country, the people were facing various economic challenges, finances in their households. People needed ways to make money, and forex seemed to be the gateway to easy profits, riches. At least that was what many of these celebrity forex mentors portrayed at the time. Let's face it, when it started, forex trading in South Africa was the wild west. There were scam brokers, there were scam forex mentors, signal providers. Everything was just happening in the industry. However, Sandile Shezi seemed to be different. If you follow a story that he gave in an interview on CGTN Africa, the video is still on YouTube. He said he actually rose from humble beginnings in Umlazi, KwaZulu-Natal, and whilst he was at school, when his parents sent him money to pay for tuition, that's when he decided to invest that money in trading. And hard work paid off. He made a fortune out of that money. And for the millions of South Africans who were looking for ways to make money, for ways to help their families, and who could relate to that story, he seemed to be the guy to go to. He became an instant celebrity. He became the recognizable face when it comes to trading in South Africa. His story was repeated and repeated in various media, and he would feature in various media publications. He had made it. He was the success story at 23, rising from nowhere to becoming a self-made millionaire as a black child. Back in the day, there were some articles, a few, that raised flags about this story. But many people obviously shot them down because they alleged that it's people who did not want to see a black child succeeding. So, whilst many forex traders ended up tarnishing their reputations because of defrauding people, not delivering what they had said, and things like that, it seemed Sandile Shezi was the alternative. And he used his newfound popularity and reputation to launch his own company, Global Forex Institute, an academy meant to teach South Africans how to analyze the charts, how to trade, how to make money in trading. Everything seemed to be okay. He seemed to be running a clean operation, and he actually inspired a new generation of South African forex traders who were inspired by his story and how he did his things. Global Forex Institute went from one level to the next. They began doing tours around South Africa, which would be attended by Sandile Shezi in person. Obviously, many people would attend and fill out these auditoriums because people wanted to see the celebrity, and also people wanted to understand his secrets from turning paltry money into a fortune. So, naturally, he started to see growth and growth and growth. What people did not understand, it seems now, that it wasn't as what it seemed. There were some red flags that were raised after it emerged that his partner in Global Forex Institute was actually another controversial forex trader, one George van der Riet. Van der Riet had apparently been convicted of various crimes relating to frauds and things like that back in 2011. Still, it seemed like Global Forex Institute was an above-board operation with Sandile Shezi at its helm. He was trustworthy. In terms of marketing, he probably did the best. Expensive clothes, luxury cars, fancy lifestyle, polished English. You listen to him, you want to believe him and trust him. Now it seems. A few years down the line, in 2021, allegations started popping up that things were not as they seemed at Global Forex Institute. What happened? People started alleging that Sandile Shezi was another scammer, another fraud. Things hard to believe for a trader who inspired a whole generation of South African forex traders. Then things actually came to a head when in 2021 a arrest warrant was issued against him. This is over allegations of scamming clients of millions of rands. And according to media reports, he had apparently defrauded his business partner, one Alan Ledwaba, of around $500,000 South African rand. Ledwaba had reportedly invested the money with Shezi back in 2018 after being promised a huge payout. But by 2021, the payout had not materialized and Shezi had been ducking and diving. Then it also emerged that Shezi had defrauded a former Limpopo-based principal of 1.2 million South African rand. Apparently, he had met this school principal at Meropa in Limpopo and convinced him to resign from his job so that he can get his hands onto his pension and invest that pension money with Shezi. After investing the money with Shezi, things did not go according to plan, which led the principal to raise the alarm with the authorities. Shezi then, in an agreement, decided or announced that he would pay this principal 10,000 rand weekly. People started asking questions: what happened to the millions? Because everyone was under the impression that he is a millionaire. Then again, he was accused of defrauding one Angela Mabena of around 200,000 South African rand, which she had apparently collected from relatives and gathered into a pool and invested in Global Forex Institute, hoping for a big payout which she would pay back or share with their relatives. It did not happen. And many more allegations started popping up, leading to December 9, where again another arrest warrant was issued. It's a fact, Sandile Shezi is bankrupt. We don't know what happened to the millions. What do you think happened? Was it greed, or was he faking it all these years? Did he make mistakes, or was he faking it all these years? Leave your thoughts and your comments in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.